Renesha, like in its literal meaning, actually, it simply refers to rebirth or the re-awakening, right? And this re-awakening was about the golden historicity of Europe, right? Its thought, its culture, right? Renesha actually, how it contributed to sociology, if you ask how it contributed to sociology, so it contributed to sociology by providing, a critical thinking, right? A new, orientation towards analyzing, looking at the social, economic, political, cultural reality, right? Renesha, the profound, contribution of Renesha or impact of Renesha on emergence of sociology was that it gave birth to the ideological paradigm, right? Or you can say, a new important ideological paradigm, right, in human history called modernity, or better say modernism. Ideology hai to modernism, right? Like intellectuals of the day, people in the society influenced by intellectuals started differently, right? Looking at the reality, analyzing the reality, understanding the social reality, isn't it? And so Renesha is said to have given birth to the ideological paradigm of modernism,